gach clúin, gach blár, gach enem, gach áid, gach bilag, gach blá, gach buneid, gach bar, gach slia, gach stráid, gach carrig, gach carn, gach fásan, gach rád, gach riach, gach fáid. Mam chonam an chlár, mam chórt an táid a grai, glach gan garam, bích is fáhar naif, gravalin an gach nían, gach páist, gach shenner, gach alv, gach cahig, gach cas, gach sapech, gach fa, gach behe, gach bas, gach ager, gach bai, gach dachi, gach blas, gach kakech, gach tav. Mam chonam an chlár, mam chórt an táid a grai, glach gan garam, bích is fáhar naif, gravalin an gach darach, gach barg, gach ashik, gach rav, gach lúb gusal, gach camas, gach van, gach achig, gach parg, gach aros, gach gard, gach ishan guhart, gach behach, gach war.
From the dim beginning, my call has been on you, drawing you to me from Glengarrizdal and Mangersta, Krakow and Mumbai, legions quietly gathering as Kallanish and Dinad recede. Below your bones, you heard my soft whisper and packed your bags of yesterday and tomorrow with your dreams and your brokenness. From these high fields, I watched you shoal in my rivers, flock in my skies, march through my canyon streets, and writhe on my riddled stones. So now you are here, every one of you, seedlings, reaching skywards through the rain towards the sun in this dear green place. Children of my longing, my earth, your cradle, your lives, my heartbeat, your struggles and laughter, my timeless song, this place, our common ground.
Mam chonam an chlár, mam chórt an táid a grai, glach gan garam, bích is fáhar naif, gravalin gach bunyak, gach dan, gach kadam, gach ram, gach gaia, gach ran, gach kaker, gach swan, gach grief, gach kjaust, gach opes, gach ag, gach tarin janark, gach sukjast, jach swatch. Gach ian nach dranig faie, gach gwak nach tainen aarstje, gach bratan nach dranig stru le fanje, gach kraun nach das, gun sirivich gwasko.